Hi there, friends. This is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm working remotely in Boston, Massachusetts. I am visiting with some clients and seeing some projects that we've worked on out here, so I'm having fun. But I wanted to share this quick little tip, show you how I'm working on this little roof project. You'll notice that I did automatic roofs, and Chief has tried its best to do something. It's got this hip here, it's got a valley here, it's trying to, get the water away from the walls, but this is not the solution that we really want it to be. So I am drawing it just a little bit differently, and I see also up here my freeze is not quite accurate. Let's go to Eve only. Options. Okay, something's just a little off with that, but that's okay. I'll fix that here in a minute. So I'm going to, oh, it just updated. Excellent. I'm going to delete this roof plane. I'm going to go back to plan view, and I'm going to pull this roof. I'm going to move it to this edge here. We'll get rid of that line. So quickly, I know I'm going fast. This roof plane went up into the corner like this and then turned down. So I pulled this line here back to this edge, and that deleted this line, this edge of the roof plane. Now I can keep going and pull this down to the ridge. I'm going to take this roof plane, and for the moment I'm just going to pull it across, square that up next to the wall. And that way, from my 3D perspective, I see what that has done. Let's split this screen. We'll see how it does it in real time. I'm going to select the left edge of left plane of this gable. I'm going to change the perspective of this so we can see what's happening. So far so good. I just need a little cricket in here because this is not watertight yet. Once again, I'm going to select this gable, this plane of this gable, and move that out to the edge of the siding. And then from here, I am going to, let's find the height of this ridge. I'm going to Command C on my Mac. If you're using a PC, you'd use Control C. I'm going to copy this 132 and 11/16 because that's a number we want to remember. Click OK. Go back into my roof plane. Now I'm going to move this plane away because I don't want to connect to that plane. And then I think I'll be all right here. I'm going to drag from this point. I'm going to touch the corner edge here, drag from this point and go up like to that point of the ridge. Now you'll see how this is flying high and it's just a little weird, but the bottom edge, you'll notice because I dragged right on top of that corner where the plane makes that turn, that set the height of this fascia top right there where it meets the roof that we drew from. So this is the new roof here, new roof plane, and we drew from this point, so Chief recognized what the elevation of this plane is at that point. And so that's where it started the fascia top from. Now this is where I want to remember what that ridge height is, because I want this line here to be the same elevation as this ridge. So I'm going to open this roof plane, and we're going to rotate this new roof plane and lock the fascia top height. I don't want that one to change. I do want the ridgetop height to change, and that will also change the pitch. So since I have ridgetop height selected in blue, I'm going to Command V, and remember it pasted the 132 and 11/16. If I tab now, that'll tell me exactly what pitch it is. Now that 2 3/4 inch pitch is kind of low, but we'll put rubber on there and it will be good. Click OK, and now you see how this changed. Now I can grab this corner, pull that over to the top of the ridge, and I'm going to pull this back here. Now this side, I'm going to hit the number 2 key on my keyboard and connect it to this valley. Great. Now with it still selected, I'm going to hit the number 3, which breaks one line of the one edge of this line. And I'm going to do that again, number 3 on my keyboard, and make that a true joint in the roof plane, if you will. And there it is in 3 dimensions. I've got this roof plane, I've got this roof plane, I've got the gable working over here. Water is shed down to the corner and around, and we're all set. So now I've got this one working right. I'll just do the same thing on this side, and this model, this part of the roof, first floor will be set, and we'll be good to go. So once again, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. Thanks so much for watching today. If this has been helpful, or any of these series of Tech Tip Tuesday has been helpful, please give us a thumbs up. That is encouragement to me to keep going. And if you have any questions or ideas for Tech Tip Tuesday topics in the future, let me know that, and I will certainly work on trying to get that into the schedule in the upcoming weeks. So from Boston, everyone have a great week. Bye-bye.